Alright, Speed, here's one of your 427 small block Ford. Your description is a combination of a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom ground hydraulic roller. Obviously it's a high ram. It's all blacked out. We also got some floor pan. Got our front ends on it. We're going to make a run, see if she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 465 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 532, peak horsepower 578, so everything's good. We'll do now pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things here. These are engine, find the looks like credit card, USB card. A little technical information. Rate will be this engine spec sheet. I highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.